Welcome to the carbonate radical test experiment. In this experiment, we will confirm whether the acidic radical of the salt is carbonate using sodium carbonate as our sample. By the end of this experiment, you will be able to define and differentiate between carbonate ions and other acid radicals based on their chemical formulas, classify inorganic salts according to their acid radicals, compare carbonate with other first group members in terms of chemical structure, properties, and reactions. Experimentally, identify salts containing carbonate radicals. Select appropriate reagents to detect the presence of carbonate radicals. Balance the chemical equations of the reactions involved. Let's begin the experiment. You can follow your progress using the progress bar at the top of the page. Step 1. We will start by testing the solubility of the salt in water. 1. Place a small amount of the salt in a test tube using a spatula. 2. Add 1 to 2 milliliters of water and shake the tube well. Observation: the salt color is white, and it is soluble in water. Step 2. Next, we will test the reaction of the salt with dilute hydrochloric acid. This reaction should produce effervescence and the evolution of carbon dioxide gas, which can be tested by passing it through lime water. 1. Prepare 2 milliliters of lime water in a separate test tube. 2. In another test tube, place a small amount of the salt using a spatula. 3. Add drops of dilute hydrochloric acid. 4. Pass the carbon dioxide gas evolved into the test tube containing lime water. Observation: effervescence and the release of carbon dioxide gas are observed. The lime water turns turbid. Conclusion: carbonate or bicarbonate radicals may be present. Step 3. Now, let's test the reaction of the salt with mercury dichloride, which should produce a reddish-brown precipitate. 1. Place a small amount of the salt in 1 to 2 milliliters of water in a test tube and shake well. 2. Add drops of mercury dichloride reagent. Observation: a reddish-brown precipitate forms when cold. Conclusion: the reddish-brown precipitate of mercuric carbonate is present. Step 4. Finally, we will add magnesium sulfate to the salt solution, which should result in the formation of a white precipitate. 1. Add a small amount of the salt to 1 to 2 milliliters of water in a test tube and shake well. 2. Add drops of magnesium sulfate reagent. Observation: a white precipitate forms when cold. Conclusion: the white precipitate of magnesium carbonate is formed. Final result: the acidic radical of the salt is confirmed to be carbonate. Congratulations! The experiment has been completed.